What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to be assembling the front end, painting the hood, painting the bumper, and getting the car put back together, at least as for the front end. And then in the next video we are going to be tackling the rear quarter panel, which is another story. But in today's video you're going to see this car get put back together with headlights, hood, and paint to match. Quick update, the hood has been sanded with the gray pad and the front end is looking way better with the headlights and everything else put up back on it. I'm middle of changing the water pump, that's why there's a big gap right there, but so far it's coming along. So next thing is going to be painting and then assembling the final parts to the car. This escalated quickly. Ended up ordering more parts and it's gonna be for better. And let me show you all the parts. So while I was in process of changing the water pump, this guy didn't look right. As you can see, it was pitted and this one is super smooth. So when you come back to the Y hose and you can look, the old one, it's also pitted inside, and then this one is nicely rounded. And while I'm there, I might as well change the thermostat and might as well change this guy, because to change this rubber is like $8 and this thing is like 23 bucks. Or this gasket was $12 and this thing was like $24. So might as well get a new piece. That goes here into the water pump like that, and bam. I didn't record much, but I did have garage mat stuff and I did paint the hood. Still drying, still wet. There's some imperfections obviously in the garage, but you know, still not that bad. I like it. It's pretty clean. You can see the reflection as well. Yep. So it's all painted and now we're gonna put it back on the car. It was kind of hard to record and paint because there's so much what do we call it, cloudiness going on. But yeah, we're done. All right, they're drying. Garage is clean, no respray. I think I'm pretty satisfied how it came out. Could use a buff, but other than that, still not that bad for a garage paint. All right, I call this very well done. front bumper fully put together. I don't want to bore you with the grill and all the little stuff, but the lip is on. So now we are gonna fit it right to the car. And while the bumper was off, I did paint the horse black, and I did tint the side markers, so now they're not as bright as orange. Alright, so let's put on the car and see how she looks. Alright, here we go. The front end is complete. I will give a brief walk around it once I clear all this stuff out, but for right now, she is sitting so perfect. Alright, here is the car. Front end is fully bolted, completed, assembled. I can't take it anyway from here because, yet to another surprise, I found that rear axle is bent, so I can't drive the car. So I will have to do full review video later, but for right now, just enjoy the front end because she is looking sexy. I know it's a little bit dark outside, but the hood is painted. I painted that. Good quality. The bumper, I painted that. Excellent quality. And bam, she's all done. Oh, can't have you see the quarter panel because it's already done too. Alright, well, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and check out my next video on the quarter panel, which is already done, but you gotta wait till next week.